kinds of companies help cope with this coronavirus? Well, how about a company that makes it easier for people to work remotely? Something that's a lot more enticing when you're afraid of getting sick. I'm talking about Zoom Video Communications, which saw its stock explode higher today. It's up nearly 15%. Now, here's a cloud-based video conferencing play that came public last year to enormous fanfare. I don't know if you remember it, but that was before the market turned on the momentum stocks. And this thing went over $100, but then plunged to the 60s. That was its low in the fourth quarter. Since, though, Zoom it's been quietly moving back up. And today it had a huge run, climbing to its highest level in nearly 4 months. What happened? Well, some of it's the epidemic, and some of it actually might be because we found out about a service outage from Microsoft's competing collaboration software, Teams. And that could give Zoom another leg up with clients who want something maybe that's more reliable. I don't know. So why don't we take it from here? Let's check in with Eric Yuan. He is the founder and CEO of Zoom Video Communications. Get a better read on what's happening. Mr. Yuan, welcome back to Mad Money.
Hey, Jim, thank you for having me. I really appreciate it.
Oh, fantastic. Now, I've got to tell you, Eric, we're in a strange time. If I'm told I have to work at home because of the virus, I want to feel like I'm still connected, and I don't want to feel like an idiot not having IT there to install it for me. If I'm at home and I'm a person who's not that technically inclined, could I Zoom?
Yes, absolutely. The trend is more and more people are willing to work at home, and also almost every business has distributed workforce. You need to have a tool like Zoom, very reliable, secure service to have a very deeper engagement across your company's employees, customers, and partners.
Now, do people go and ask for Zoom, or is it something that most companies give to employees?
Actually, the tools, can speak by itself because it works very well. Almost every user and employers, they always want to have reliable tools like Zoom. Finally, Zoom can really make it work.
Now, we had Bracken Darrell on from last week. And his company's doing quite well, Logitech. And then I mistakenly, I have to tell you, hit up Logitech. And there's these guys from AWL, who keep following me everywhere. I've got Al nonstop on my PC. And I've got Logitech. Is there room for you and also this Teams from Microsoft? And then there's also Cisco. How much room is there for all these different companies?
I think, first of all, this market is huge. Take Logitech for example. Logitech is a great partner, and also we partner with any other company like Cisco, like Microsoft, and ultimately almost every company they need to have tools like this. I think based on IDC estimates, by 2023, that's a $43 billion market. Look at our revenue last quarter. I think we just started.
Yeah, I mean, the revenue number, 85%. I mean, I don't know. The analysts don't understand. With this with the virus and now companies saying, you know what, maybe we have to be ready for work at home. I have to believe that your phones were actually ringing off the hook today.
You're so right. I have to shut down my phone because actually almost everyone is calling us because given the coronavirus and also you cannot travel, but you need to have a very reliable, secure tools like Zoom. That's why our usage is very, very high since last month, last week, almost every day. That's a record usage.
Oh my! Now, are you constrained or capacity constrained, or is the leverage in this model so great it doesn't cost more per Zoom?
So good news, our employees, they are working very, very hard. We build a very reliable, very scalable technology. I think we're ready to offer a greater service to the people all over the world.
Now, you are moving from the consumer to the enterprise. That's happened, what, in the last year? The complexion of your business is changing.
Actually, we started from offering a service to SMB customers over the past 4 or 5 years. We do focus on large enterprise customers. That's why we have so many Fortune 100 companies, who deployed Zoom over the past 2 or 3 years.
Now, Microsoft, your competitor, did have an outage, Teams. Does that mean immediately people say, you know what, I want to have a backup is Zoom, or I want to trial Zoom? Maybe that won't happen with Zoom?
I think on the one hand, Microsoft is our partner, right? We integrate very well with Microsoft solutions. On the other hand, companies, they are looking for the best breed of service. When it comes to video conferencing, they like to have a much better solution. That's why they deployed Zoom. Because we laser focus on a cloud-based, video-first, collaboration solution. That's why when it comes to video and voice, we are sort of the standard now.
Now, we people know, for instance, the company Discovery. Discovery is probably, I think, the most intensely beautiful a display on my TV. They chose Zoom. I have to believe they care about definition because they care about definition to the point when their programs are perfect. Why did they go with Zoom, do you think?
They are a great customer. I really like them. Actually, they did a test. They tested almost every other solutions. They really need a very reliable solution, no matter which device, no matter where you are, it got to work anytime. That's why they found Zoom. They tested Zoom. They picked up Zoom because Zoom service is just better when it comes to experience, better than any other solutions. That's a no-brainer for them to deploy Zoom.
Last question. Do you think that because of the virus, is it going to change the landscape permanently? Do you think that people are going to say, you know what, this working at home is pretty great with Zoom? The companies will say, you know what, we're just going to change the way we do business. Isn't that possible given the resolution, how good Zoom is?
You are so right. Even before this virus outbreak, almost every business, they are already aware of that. They have to have a reliable tools like Zoom. Given what had happened, I think more and more people, they are going to have a backup solution. They need to figure out a way how to leverage a modern tools like Zoom, still can get the work done, no matter where they are.
All right, well, look, I'm going to let you get back to work to answer those phones with the big Fortune 100 deals that I know you'll put together. And congratulations on all your success, Eric. So proud of you.
Thank you so much, Jim. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely. Okay, that's Eric Yuan. He's the founder and CEO of Zoom Video, which we have liked since it came public. It got down to levels that we like, and I think it's still terrific. Mad Money's back after the break.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.